The 10 Best Folding Bikes 2021. Which is the best for you? Today's foldable bikes can almost match the ride quality and performance of regular bicycles, but with the added benefit of easier portability and more compact storage. You can take them places you can't reach by pedal power alone by stashing them in your vehicle's trunk or carrying them on a bus or train. Some are even equipped with batteries to give you an even greater range. Let's get started with the lists. 1. Volano Urbana. The Volano Urbana, about $219, is a basic and affordable single-speed model that works well for short rides around town. At just 21.5 pounds, it is lightweight enough for most people to carry, and can be stashed in a corner or closet when not in use. Sturdy aluminum frame, coaster-style brakes and water bottle and rear rack mounts. 2. Swagtron EB7 Plus. The Swagtron EB7 Plus, around $700, is a pedal-assist e-bike that can go for up to 19 miles per charge, and can cruise at 18 miles per hour when under the power of its 350-watt electric motor. It is equipped with effective front and rear disc brakes that ensure you can stop quickly when needed. 7-speed Shimano gears, integrated carrying handle and rear suspension system. 3. Euro Mini Zizzo Urbano. With a gear-shifting mechanism that functions as smoothly as its dependable brakes, the Euro Mini Zizzo Urbano, around $350, offers a safe and easy ride. Adjustable stems on the seat and handlebars make it comfortable for short and tall users alike. Magnet keeps it securely folded, available in grey or red and lifetime warranty on the frame. 4. Fido D3S. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Fido D3S, about $519, is capable of speeds up to 15 miles per hour. It weighs only 39 pounds thanks to its aluminum alloy frame, while the professional 6-speed gearing and 52-tooth crankset provide ample torque. Front and rear disc brakes, carbon steel forks and range of up to 50 kilometers. 5. Sailnovo Electric Bicycle. 350W powerful scooter bikes with built-in 36 volts 10.4Ah rechargeable lithium-ion battery, 5 to 6H charging time, IP54 waterproof rating, top speed of 18.6 miles per hour, riding range from 18 miles pure power mode to 28 miles pedal assistant. This electric bike is great for commuting on flat city roads, max slope 15 degrees, even in light rain days. You can also add a basket to the front or install a kettle holder to carry light things when you are hanging out. 6. Columbia RJ26A. Once assembled, it feels as solid as a regular bicycle, and the robust 26-inch Kenda tires on the Columbia RJ26A, about $250, allow it to cover more ground per rotation than most other folding models. It is equipped with 18 gears, for easier pedaling up gradients. Alloy crank arms and hubs, front and rear suspension, and not ideal for riders over 6 foot. 7. Mofoto Tricycle. Available in a wide range of colors, the Mofoto Tricycle, about $385, is a 3-wheeled option with a low step-through frame, making it more stable and easy to use. It has a large, wire basket on the back and comfortable high-rise handlebars. Carbon steel frame, high weight capacity and quite heavy at 60 pounds. 8. Euro Mini Zizzo Campo. The Euro Mini Zizzo Campo, about $179, boasts resilient off-road tires, 7 speeds, a twist grip shifter, and V-style alloy brakes. It also includes reflectors, which is a safety necessity for nighttime rides, and comes in 3 colors. Rust-resistant cassette, aluminum derailleur hanger and handlebar height isn't adjustable. 9. Schwinn Loop. The Schwinn Loop, about $219, has a step-through frame that makes it easy to mount and dismount, and 7 gears to help you power up hills and combat the wind. It comes with a convenient nylon storage bag for safekeeping when not in use. Strong steel hinges, riser handlebars and seat is a tad hard. 10. X-Spec Commuter. Ideal for taller riders, the X-Spec Commuter, around $229, has a seat that adjusts up to 42 inches, and has a weight capacity of 220 pounds. It is built using high-quality parts throughout and sturdy, quick-release brackets make setting it up a simple task. Folding right pedal, 7-speed Shimano gears and saddle is rather uncomfortable. We provide the links to 10 Best Folding Bikes 2021 you can check on the description below.